even if there is hell, I've said it elsewhere, I think I'll be in that hell with my ancestors. So it's better I be in a hell with my ancestors than to be in heaven with those I do not know. John, I was born into a Christian family, a very strong Christian family. We have our own traditional system, our own traditional religion. Growing up, I never knew that we had our own traditional religion. With time, I realized that it was as good as other religions out there, like the one I was born into. That means Christianity. So I didn't have any other option than to go back to my to the traditional religion of my ancestors. If Omenani or Dinani Igbo is as good as Christianity or is Islam or Buddhism or Confucianism or Hinduism, why should I now leave my own and go to another man's own? That's the kind of fear I entertained when I was a Christian. It's Christians that go to hell. I mean.